As long as they don't participate, I don't play anymore.
Hey guys, so guess what we're gonna do? Finally gonna be doing this bean bozo challenge. Fortunately, or should I say unfortunately, my sister-in-law have one of these, so we get the opportunity to taste it. I'm kind of scared, and Tyler been saying thank you, but you're not gonna get this. No, take my phone. I give him the cover. Here. So babe and I are gonna try a few flavors and see what it tastes like. Ready?
They're not going to test anything?
No, Shani, you know, Shania drinks Smirnoff.
Chicken.
So I think what's gonna happen is that what should we do with this?
Okay.
Spin it?
Spin it. Whichever one falls on.
Okay, so we're gonna spin this little round thing, and whichever one it stops on, that's the one that we have to taste. And the flavors are kind of crazy. I think the flavors are you have spoiled milk, coconut, dead fish, rotten egg, buttered popcorn, toothpaste, berry blue, dark peach, canned dog food, chocolate pudding, booger, Lord, juicy pear, Lord, moldy cheese, caramel corns, stinky salt, tutti frutti, lawn clippers, and lime. So those are some of the flavors that you can drop on, so whichever one it falls on. I don't know how long I'm going to last in this, but let's see.
Where you got that? You got that at the supermarket?
She got it on Amazon, right?
Oh, you don't
Come, let's go.
You don't find that at the supermarket?
No.
Let's go. Babe, you gonna go first?
If you want to, if you feel...
No, you go
better.
first.
Alright.
Spin.
Oh, is me spin what I'm gonna eat, or is you spin?
No,
what
you spin whichever one is gonna fall on. Spoiled milk. Why? Zama's sister gonna find which one is spoiled milk and give to me.
Spoiled milk or coconut? Make them pick.
What happened?
Spoiled milk or coconut.
What
There's
happened?
a white one.
You take each of you guys take a white one.
No.
So both of us gonna eat it?
Yeah.
Yeah, but
So why should both
you
of
could
us
do
eat
it
it
on,
and that's his pig?
Because normally when people buy they don't normally use the weed, they just try every flavor.
Both of you guys spin and when I fall and both of you guys say the same thing.
So you take 4, so each of 4 got 1.
Yeah, so you use a card, you get one.
Take a white one.
One.
No, princess.
One.
Come, babe. Come.
No.
Just pick randomly?
A white
Your
one.
white one, the white one.
So it's spoiled milk or coconut.
Oh, so it's spoiled milk or coconut, you just don't know which flavor it is.
So
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Hold
taste.
on. No, I mean,
You cannot
is
smell
it
it.
something that you suck?
No,
Is
you
it-
cannot
Or
smell it.
right.
Taste it.
I have to choose the taste it. 1,
Chew it
2,
up.
3, go.
Spoiled milk or
True
coconut.
noodle.
Okay. What you got? Coconut?
No. Spoiled milk.
So what now?
So what should I do? To eat it or to food
Yeah,
it?
you're supposed to eat it. I don't know.
if you want.
I don't know why she's spitting it out.
Oh, eat it.
You could spit it. This will bring back
Doesn't taste good
memories.
at all.
I'm gonna nearly vomit.
You guys, that's spoiled milk for sure. Baby, swallow it.
No,
You're
I didn't.
supposed to eat.
But it is bad.
Alright. So that's spoiled milk and I had to spit so I can't smell that. Jesus Christ.
It is bad.
Oh god.
Well, I don't know what's.
Alright.
But
Juicy
it's.
pear or booger. Lord have mercy.
What is booger?
Booger is this in your nose.
So you don't ever have. Tell her.
Yeah, and it's sticking on my teeth. Jesus.
Which color it is now?
Green
You want to have the green
Look
spot.
at the picture to see what it looks
is the one with the little dots. Alright, alright. Is the one with the little dots.
Yeah.
No.
This for you.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, go.
What is it?
What is that?
Excuse me language, Kaylin.
Excuse me, Tyler, don't eat those beanies.
This one worse than the other one.
Booger? You got booger? Ew.
I don't know what I have, but.
No, the juicy pear actually tastes good. So if it doesn't taste good, you guys got booger.
Baby, you're swallowing all of them.
You're supposed to. That's how you're supposed to.
No, sir.
Canned dog food or chocolate pudding?
This one is canned dog food or chocolate.
Well, there's.
Come, ready?
This.
Ready? Go.
Let's move in.
Chocolate pudding or dog food?
I never have a good taste.
Tutti frutti.
I'm sure
Which
the
one
dog.
is it?
Dog food or chocolate pudding.
Chocolate pudding for
You
me.
get chocolate pudding?
No, the dog. Don't taste good.
What?
Don't taste good at all.
So spit it out!
So you I can spit every time it tastes bad? You tell me after you eat it.
She told you that I said you could spit it out if it tastes bad. You're going to make your breath smell really bad afterwards.
What you feel?
You're going to have to brush your
I
mouth.
stop this stupid game. As long as they don't participate, I don't play anymore.
I think that's the end of our bean booze experience because babe doesn't want to play anymore.